There are many ways to apply styles across a document, but often you'll want to use a style on some of the tags in a document, but not all instances of the tag. Or you may want to create a style that you can apply across several tags in a document without repeating the style rule. To do these types of selective style application, you'll use selectors. I previously introduced you to selectors. In CSS, selectors are used to declare which element a style will apply to. It's kind of a match expression. Selectors may apply to all elements of a specific type, or only those elements which match a certain attribute. For example, in this document, the P selector that I have highlighted here will apply to all paragraph tags in this document. If this style was defined in a separate style document called a style sheet, then it would apply to all the paragraphs in all the pages that use this style sheet. This class selector right here, .bodyBlue, applies only to those document elements that have been styled using this class. There are various types of CSS selectors or selector types that you'll need to learn and use. Custom CSS or class styles create a customized style with the set attributes. These class styles can be applied to any tag. HTML base or tag styles redefine the formatting for particular tags, such as the H1 tag, the P tag, or the body tag. All text formatted with the H1 tag would be immediately updated with this new style definition. You also have advanced CSS selector styles. These redefine the formatting for a particular combination of tags. For example, the TD-H2 applies whenever an H2 header appears inside a table cell. And also the pseudo class styles, for example, the a::link, the a::hover, or the a::visited. More on these pseudo class styles later. Advanced CSS selector styles also apply to a specific ID attribute. For example, the #my style applies to all tags that contain the attribute value pair ID equals my style. Now, in addition to these selector types, you also have, as I mentioned earlier, a set of pseudo classes that can be used to define further behavior. Probably the best known example of one of these is the a::hover, which applies a style only when the user points to the visible element, usually by holding the mouse cursor over it. It's appended to a selector as in a::hover, like this one right here, written like that. Let me review each of these selectors and selector types in more detail, starting in the next movie with the review of the base or tag selectors.